You know, guys, this daughter, she's actually she, and the other one there is the he, and she's actually curious of what I'm doing right here. How about you? You know what I'm doing right here? Are you curious? Then let me show to you. But before that, I would like to make an announcement that due to YouTube algorithm, which is they updated, I would like to clean up a little bit of my mess here on this channel. That all my electronics project, all my electronics DIY tutorial, DIY demonstration, anything about electronics, I'm moving them to my DR100 concept project, which is a digital Class D power amplifier. Having said that, I would like to thank you guys for following me to that channel and also support me by subscribing on it. And you need to click the notification bell so that you will be notified when I publish a new videos, especially on my tutorial right now on the digital volume control. Share it to our DIY friends who like DIY electronics, especially on hybrid system, analog and digital. That one I often call the digital brain, analog heart. I mean, you know what it is, right? That is really amazing adventure actually. Put down your comment below on each of the videos, especially on my tutorial, which I really put an effort on it because I'd like you to experience, guys, DIY way of learning that is called self-learning, self-boosting yourself not only in the analog but also in the digital. And that's the reason why, again, I put my effort to provide my let's just say best capability to teach a little bit of programming, because that is necessary to enable digital ICs like the TDA7449 digital volume control, digital tone controls, equalizers, and so on and so forth. Where of course with that very nice powerful man-machine interface that we can incorporate in the front panel of our amplifier, displaying our own name, our own brand, our pictures, white pictures, sound, daughters, so on and so forth. You can display your extra, you know, pictures on there if you like to. That makes you happy. And I'm sharing all of this stuff right now in this channel, the DR100 Concept Project, Digital Class D Power Amplifier, in the name of courseware and shareware. Then let me show to you. This is my test PC that is dedicated for automation. And we got Laura Branigan there. He's actually singing. You can't hear it because, music is something of the copyrights. And the other one in there is the Spectrum, that is the Spectrum capture from the QA401. And it is testing the digital volume control based on the TDA7449L. Alright guys, see you in that channel and stay tuned.